Oh my gosh, could it actually be the wind has finally died down? Oh, the last 24 hours have been crazy windy, like 30 to 35 knot gusts. The boat has been like rocking like crazy, and it's just been stressful hearing that kind of wind. Still a little breezy, but nothing like yesterday. Definitely something to be thankful for on Thanksgiving. All the instruments are up and running, it looks like.
Our course is plotted. Everything's on. Engine's warming up.
Nice hat.
Coffee is being made. Be ready to go in a few minutes.
Cool. What's our total time on the water?
Probably 9-ish. See what it's like when we get underway. Fight a little bit of current this morning, but
yeah,
probably in the mid-morning we'll be okay till 9, and then 9 to noon we'll slow down a bit. We'll speed back up. That's the goal.
Is our average cruising speed gonna be 7?
Yeah, I think so. 7 or 7.2 for the trip.
Wow, your eyes really look interesting.
They look good.
Oh. Yeah, hold on. Look at me. Pulling into Roche Harbor, and I was curious. I had no idea how busy or not so busy the marina would be, because even lately when we think some place is going to be dead and we're going to get in right away, it seems to be that, you know, we run out of luck and there's actually no space. It's so crazy to see Roche Harbor so barren compared to the summer months. There's plenty of slips. Nothing to worry about when you come here for Thanksgiving, that's for sure. Wow, that's so weird to see like so many open slips.
Batteries are dead, I think, on the...
Oh, on the marriage savers?
Yeah.
Shocking.
Yeah.
How's that gonna save our marriage when the batteries are dead, sweetie?
Well, we're just gonna have to resort to yelling at each other.
Yeah. Knocking on the hull.
I'll make sure I yell at you on the hill too, so the whole marina can hear it.
Luckily, there's not too many people here. Roche Harbor is just such a beautiful place. It's a really quaint boater's paradise. When we first moved here and we were asking our boat neighbors at Elliott Bay, we asked, you know, so where is the first place you think we should go? What's like the best place here? And by far, everybody said, you gotta go to Roche Harbor. So we came up here, and we came up here after going to Friday Harbor, and Friday Harbor is where there's a lot of life. It's where the ferry drops tourists off. There's a lot more to do, a lot more shopping and restaurants. So I didn't, for the longest time, for 3 or 4 years, I didn't quite understand what the draw was to Roche Harbor, but it's the last couple years coming up here, I get it. I totally get it. I'm, I think, becoming more of a Roche Harbor fan than Friday Harbor. Sorry, Friday Harbor, but Roche has definitely got something special. Also, when we pulled in yesterday and settled up at the marina, it was kind of interesting. I was asking the guy, for 43-foot slip, how long's the wait? Because we've heard before that it's like decades long wait list here if you want to have your boat moored up here year round. And the friendly guy working at the marina said it's a 20-year wait for a slip that could fit Freedom. 20 years. So that's definitely not a list worth putting ourselves on. But he did say you can get moorage here October 1st through April 30th. So off-season moorage, which is super cheap. For our boat, it would have been like less than $400 a month for off-season moorage, which is great. Too bad we can't figure out a way to swing that. Sean travels every single week for work, so trying to get him to SeaTac might be kind of difficult. But hey, if he decides to retire early or, quit his job, I think we'll maybe stay in Roche for a season. So you said these are world famous?
They have the donut eating contest in the summer.
It's been really good.
You gonna do the donut eating contest next summer?
They need to do it with the sprinkles
I know.
and the frosting.
After loading up on some good eats at the Lime Kiln Cafe, which we highly recommend you check out next time you're in Roche Harbor, it was that time of the day to get the dogs out to their favorite off-leash dog park right up the street from the marina.
Oh my goodness.
While we have so much to be thankful for this year, what we're most thankful for is that Sandy is still with us and as energized as ever. It wasn't too long ago we got the worst news we could have ever gotten. We learned that she has cancer and that her time with us is even more precious than ever.
Woo. It's so cold. It's like so hard to leave the boat and do anything in this weather. But at least it's sunny. This is the downside of it being sunny in the Pacific Northwest in the winter. It means it's freezing. Ah! Whew. Right there's where all the magic's gonna happen today. Nice big oven. We're gonna get a turkey breast in there. Got some potatoes we're gonna make. Brussels sprouts. Let's see, what else do we have? Oop, watch out, Sandy. Yeah, we got Brussels sprouts. Big old turkey breast. Cookie log for later. What else do we have? Is that all we have? So we're gonna have turkey breast, Brussels sprouts, potatoes, cranberry sauce. Every year we forget the cranberry sauce. Do you guys forget the cranberry sauce? We've got a can of cranberry sauce and I'll put money on it. I'll bet $100 we forget to open up the can of cranberry sauce. Oh, and stuffing. We have stuffing. We have a homemade stuffing. Well, it's a mix that we're gonna make with some cranberries. See how that works out. And I think that's it. Oh, and pumpkin cheesecake from Trader Joe's, because no Thanksgiving would be complete without a little something from Trader Joe's. What are you guys having for Thanksgiving? And if you're on a boat, what are you guys having on your boat? These ovens look small, but they have a ton of space, so we can actually make quite the feast. And my coffee's almost ready, thank God, because I can't feel my fingers. It's nice and warm in here, but man, being outside for any length of time just sucks. Woo!
I got an ornament for our tree.
Oh.
A Washington State Ferry. That says Roche Harbor on it.
No way. That's so cool.
Then I got some drugs.
Drugs. There's no hope with dope.
There's hope with Robitussin and NyQuil.
Yeah, you're not doing good.
No. If I don't make it to Christmas, I want everyone to know it was a good ride. Chase your dreams. And that's all I got.
Doing a cocktail?
Red wine.
Red wine.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna stick with my favorite canned rosé. This is the best stuff. It's not only really tasty, but it's great to have on board a boat when you don't want all sorts of bottles everywhere. For people that love their wine and their champagne, you go canned. Oh boy. All right. I think I should go easy, right?
No.
No. Okay.
Go all in. Alrighty. Open up a bottle of red. Syrah. If I only remember what he told us when we had our wine tasting.
I know, I can never remember all the great things they say.
Something about how it's bold and your notes of this and notes of that and
hints of
this and after shock of that and
holy moly, it smells amazing.
too bad that's not smell-o-vision. It does smell pretty good, doesn't it?
Wow, like amazing. Is everything...
We're close.
What's the ETA here?
About 15 minutes. Let's warm up some gravy.
And then I'll do the cranberry sauce?
And then you can do your world famous cranberry sauce.
Yeah.
Don't show them your don't show them your
I
recipe.
know, it's a very secret, top secret recipe. A special cooking method.
And we've got stuff in here.
Wow.
And the turkey. You want to see what the turkey looks like? There is the bird.
Wow, nice job, Sean.
What do you think?
Looks delicious. Can't wait to dig in.
It's alright.
Oh, neighbors.
There's really nowhere else we'd rather be spending Thanksgiving than right here aboard Freedom, sick as a dog or not. After all, her galley and her captain cook up quite the mean feast. Wherever you are in the world, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget how much you have to be thankful for this year. Happy holidays, and we'll see you next time.